So, context. My mom made my dad some potato salad and it's been sitting in the fridge for quite a few days, so I thought of finishing it before it spoils. And in the process, I fished up a crap ton of cherry tomatoes because cherry tomatoes are bleh. I thought of just throwing it out, but this is a lot of cherry tomatoes. So then I thought, pasta for dinner. So yeah. Alright, so I rinsed off the dressing and I'm just gonna leave it like this to dry until dinner time. Also, I don't have a pasta sauce recipe, so I'm just gonna wing it. No recipe, just going off of what makes sense to me. Woohoo! This should be fun. So I'm making for one serving. I'm just cooking some garlic, onion and carrot in some butter. I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes. Next, for some protein, I'm just gonna use this minced pork. Just gonna break it up and cook it until it's no longer pink. There we go. Now in goes the tomatoes, all chopped. Just gonna cook this down until it's saucy and the consistency that I want. And maybe a dash of chicken stock. A sprinkle of rosemary. Okay, just gonna let this sit and cook a bit until it's the thickness I want. Once it reached this thickness, I thought it was okay, so I tasted it, and I decided to add some salt and pepper. Okay, and it's done. Now that I'm looking at it, I think it can last me for 2 servings. Okay, I'm gonna put away half of it, let it cool, and then refrigerate it for a later date. Alright, got my pasta ready, and woo, dinner. So yeah, chunky pasta sauce, born from me not wanting to waste food. And that's it for now. This is just a little fun video for me to just mess around with. So yeah, leave me to eat my dinner in peace and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!